Oh, that was a...
Did you get that?
Gay.
Yes. Just throw that in. What's up? It's Matt Emerson from Goon Squad BMX. And this is my bike check.
Just skating with
I have the volume vessel frame in 20.75, Fiend bars, Primo Annihilator V2 stem. I have Odyssey R25 forks. My wheel sets are Demolition Zero rims laced to Demolition front hub and the Demolition rotator in the back. I have 4 pegs, 2 Primo, and just a Federal and just a standard peg. I'm running Odyssey JCPCs for pedals. I have the Animal Akimbo cranks in 175 and some random chain and a snafu sprocket. I have for tires, I'm running Colt Vans tires in 2.3. I have a S&M seat post, a Fiend Deadline seat, something like that, I don't know. And grips, they are Demolition Dennis Anderson grips.
You dumbass, you forgot the hub guards!
What the fuck? These are Demolition hub yards. I don't fucking care.
Right after all
minutes for life and decades. My weakness ain't nothing easy about the music. It's how you do it. You in the game for solo. Like a slick Apache, lyrics are trigger.
Next the bricks and blow off the bricks, cause get your hair fixed, prepare your left.
My niggas drive with me and they ass fucking nigga. Do it, Mr. Fool, drive though with the two. I saw a pig and a boat on the flatbed.
Dude, I'm just gonna walk in on that bike check, just splash this shit in your